You're welcome to Christ TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful platform. You can go and start making good cash income for yourself online. But as I always said, everything requires hard work and time. If you have the money and time to spend on internet, you can attempt. All these are legit online platform just to complete task giving. Then they are going to pay you for the job and task given to. It might be survey, it might be to download app, it might be what to like a social media account and many more. So I want you to go to a platform named freecash.com freecash.com freecash.com. So what is freecash.com? Freecash.com, it's a platform that's paid you for doing certain task or completing an offer giving You can see this is the platform. This is how it looks like. You can see download our app, scan the QR code, or click on this Google Play Store link to download our app, install the app, and if you like it, rate it 5, log into freecash.com from the app and claim reward in the reward window. That's also another opportunity that we're going to give you 150 reward for downloading the app. So we won't be doing that. We'll be making use of the main platform only. Let's see what the platform is all about. Scroll down. You can see the average money earned on this platform is $16.49. Sign up for free and win up to $50 in free case. So once you sign up for free, you'll be giving up to $50 in free case. Then you can convert it to point. Then from the point, then you convert it to money. So how to get started? Earning money on free cash has been made as simple as possible. Choose a case such as play and reach level 170. It might be to play game. It might be to sign up for bank account. It might be to sign up and deposit and etc. Complete the task. Read the description before you start. Receive coins and cash them out. Cash out $1 Bitcoin and starting. Why is FreeCash the number one site to make money? A list with all the advantages and features that made us become the number one. You can see cash out starting at 2.01 cents. Earn $1 every 5 to 10 minutes by completing offers on FreeCash. Instant cash out. That's how this platform works. Just need you to complete certain offer or task, then they are going to pay you. So that is how it works on this platform. So how can you send? Just click on the sign up menu, then you input your information. Then you sign up. Can see. So it's very easy. It's very easy as that. It's no more than that. That's just how you can sign up on this. You can get started. Choose a task. Once you choose a task, then you complete the task. They are going to pay you. I would implore you to make use of system if you want to see everything clearly or information clearly. So I'm currently using my phone. see, choose a stack, complete the task, receive coin. We are giving out each $500 per day and $2,500 per month to our top users. To the video guide, you can also watch the video guide and many more. And that's just the guide. Then let's can see this is a survey. Complete surveys to earn coins will be rewarded. You can see, can choose any of this survey, then you earn point. So that's the present task available. Other task offer wall show recent popularity of task in Ninja. Each offer wall contains hundreds of tasks. Complete. Choose from one of them to start here. You can choose table, IA Studios, ADGem. Just complete any of these tasks, then they're going to pay. We're going to pay. So that's just it. Then once you've done those tasks, your points will reveal at the top right hand corner here. Then once you achieve those points, for every 1,000 points you have, that will be converted to what? $1. That's just it. So always take note, it's hard work. Just putting your best effort, and I wish you well on this platform. That's it. Kindly hit the notification and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.